Hey guys, Trisha Pero here from Keto Loving Mom. I am coming on today because I have been doing a lot of research about different subscription kits, keto kits. And I found one that I think would work best for our family, something that we will look forward to coming in, and that's called my Keto Snack Box. This is the October box. So the reason why I got snacks is because for us personally, we are pretty good at coming up with different recipes, and I do a lot of research or, constantly looking at stores for different keto-friendly foods, but it's snacks that we seem to get stuck on. So that is why I got this. So the first thing in the box is called Cashew Crunch. It is 4 grams of net carbs. Just looking to see what else. It has 12 grams of fat and 170 calories per serving, which is an ounce. So there's 3 servings. So they are crackers. So let's try them out. Oh, they're like shaped like little crackers. That is really good. And I love cashews, which is good because I'm allergic to almonds. Oh my god. Wow. That is definitely something I'll be looking for. Wow. Okay. The next thing is a vanilla almond bar. So it has 4 grams of net carbs in it. It does have almonds, so I'm not going to eat it. That'll be something I'll save for my husband. But it is, let's see, it's like a snack bar. That's what it is. Then there is this one. It is roasted edamame. Ooh. It has 2 grams of net carbs. Let's open this one. Oh my gosh. Yes! Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so how much per servings? The whole pouch. Wow. Okay. Those are really good. They're nice and crunchy. I'm super impressed so far. The next thing is Chomp Snack Sticks. 0 carbs. Grass-fed beef stick. Right there. I'm not going to open this one quite yet. I love beef jerky, so I'm sure I'll love that. Chocolate almond brownie. Keto brownie. So that is another one I will save for my husband, but I'm sure he will absolutely love that. This is Mediterranean herb pistachios. Let's see. Check this out. So it has comes this little bag for the entire container, it looks like. It is 5 grams of net carbs. So, those are really good too. Oh wow, I like everything that's in here so far. Oh my god. Okay. And then there is milk macadamia. So unsweetened vanilla macadamia nut milk. Macadamia milk. This is awesome because this means I can have this because there's no almonds in it. Cool. I'll definitely be trying that out. I love macadamias, are my favorite nuts. And then, whoa, I think I am most excited about this. They must have been reading my mind. Oh, this one's chai. They're all different. Pumpkin spice syrup, chai syrup, pumpkin spice and chai. Amazing. Let's see. Less than 1 gram of carbs in there and no sugars. I will be very excited to try this in my coffee. Maybe I'll make a coffee this afternoon to put it in because I love me some pumpkin. That is what's in my keto snack box. I'm super impressed because this is one of the more affordable boxes that I found online too. And I think my biggest thing too was like, I don't know if we're gonna like this stuff, and so I didn't really want to pay a whole lot, but this looks really great. I'm really excited about this. And so again, it's my keto snack box, and that was the October box.